And on January 27th, 2009, in the afternoon, we had a coaching call. And yeah, we talked about how much I drank, which was
You you were
a
pretty good at it.
lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a
You were
lot of
you were
practice.
you were a professional.
I was a professional, so I was a daily drinker for 20 years. And it was my, biggest, darkest secret. It was what I had been in denial about for 20 years, completely in denial. And you were the first person I opened up to about this. And, one of the things I tell people is that I knew at that point, like I had enough of a trust relationship with you. And again, that all in, all out, and knowing that you had my back. But I knew once I told you, there was no going back. I knew
Mm,
that you would never let me off the hook. I didn't know what it would look like. I was really scared. I didn't know how I was going to live my life without alcohol. But once I let it out to you, I knew like that was the end. I just didn't know what it would look like or what would happen. And fortunately, like in your personal life, and you can share more of this as you think is appropriate, but you had interacted with people who are involved in 12-step recovery.